In this video, I'm taking you through my honest and unscripted review of FastestVPN and tackling the big question on everyone's mind. Is Namecheap's VPN actually legit or just another scam? So, let's dive right in. I first tested FastestVPN by getting it directly from Namecheap's website, making sure it's the latest build released in 2025. Installation was a breeze. Downloaded, ran the file, followed the simple prompts, and within seconds, it was up and running on my PC. The interface is clean, straightforward, and doesn't overload you with too many options, which is perfect if you want something that just works without fuss. Once installed, I signed in with my Namecheap account and saw servers laid out by country and purpose. I tested a variety, streaming US shows, accessing regional sites, and downloading large files. FastestVPN connected quickly every time, and the speeds were surprisingly decent for most activities. For streaming, it handled HD content without too much buffering, and for downloads, I was getting solid throughput, though it didn't quite match the ultra-fast benchmarks of some premium players. Where FastestVPN impressed was in privacy and security. Namecheap publishes a clear no-logs policy. That's easy to understand, and it includes essential features like kill switch and DNS leak protection, so your connection stays private even if it drops unexpectedly. However, I did notice the server network is more limited than giants like NordVPN, so occasional crowding in peak hours could slow things down just a bit. Support-wise, chat help was responsive, and their documentation covers the common questions fairly well. Nothing groundbreaking, but functional and user-friendly. Pricing is competitive, especially if you already use Namecheap services. You can bundle and save. So, is FastestVPN legit or a scam? I'd say it's legit, simple to use, reliable in basic performance, and backed by a name you already know, Namecheap. For most users who want an easy, no-frills VPN that actually does the job, it's a solid choice. But if you crave faster speeds, more servers, or advanced features, NordVPN is still a step ahead. Now don't forget to hit that link in the description for their best offer. Thanks for watching this review of FastestVPN. Hit the link below to try NordVPN at a great price, and stay safe, fast, and free online.